Good morning, students. How are you all? And ready for this session too? Yes, very good. In this session, we are going to learn about different types of nouns. Before that, let us revise what we have learned in session 1. There are so many things we see around us: butterflies, trees, sun, moon, stars, flowers, river, mountains are different things. So they all have their names. So everything around us has a name is called a naming word or a noun. Nouns are names of any person, places, animals, or things. Let me explain you with these pictures. Boy, house, elephant, and ball. These all are different examples of nouns. There are two types of nouns we are going to learn. They are common noun and proper nouns. What are common nouns? Common noun is a common name or a general name for any person, place, thing, or animal. It does not begin with a capital letter. For example, boy. So we are not talking about any particular or specific boy. It is a general name for a boy. Proper noun is a specific name of place, person, thing. It always begins with a capital letter. For example, Virat Kohli is a cricketer. So cricketer is a common noun and Virat Kohli is a proper noun. Let us learn with different examples. Grandfather park, chocolates and giraffe are general or common name for person, places, things, animal, respectively. Thus, they are common noun. Here we are not talking about any particular grandfather, any particular park, any particular chocolate or any specific giraffe. So they are called common nouns. So common noun is a common name for a person, place or thing in a class or group. Children, do you want to watch a video for common nouns? Yes. Let us see the video.
Common noun. A common noun is the name given to any person, place, animal or thing. Persons, place, animal, thing. Look at the following common nouns. This is a common noun as girl can be any girl without being a specific name. Dog. This is a common noun as dog can be any dog without a specific name. Computer. This is a common noun as computer can be any computer without being a specific name. Father. This is a common noun as father can be any father without being a specific name. City. This is a common noun as city can be any city without being a specific name. We have learnt about people who serve us. Do you know these are common nouns? A doctor cures the sick people. A carpenter does the woodwork. A painter paints the buildings. A teacher teaches us. A driver drives the vehicles. A cobbler mends the shoes. A sweeper sweeps the floor. A cook prepares the meals. A mason constructs the buildings. An advocate defends our legal rights. A policeman catches thieves and robbers. We know about birds. Do you know these are common nouns? Peacock, pigeon, eagle. We know about these animals. Do you know these are common nouns? Elephant, cat, dog, horse, camel.
Children, now you understood what are common nouns. Grandfather, grandmother, boy and girl are the different examples for common nouns as they do not have any particular or specific name. So, thus they are common nouns. These are the different common names for places: bus station, restaurant, airport and cinema. Umbrella, spoon, mug and ice cream are common names for things as they do not have any particular or specific names. Deer, giraffe, frog and elephant are common names for animals as there are so many deer, so many giraffes, so many frogs and so many elephants we see, and they do not have any specific name. Thus, they are common nouns. Let us understand with different examples. This is a boy. But do we know what is his name? No, we don't know. So, he can be your brother. He can be your friend. Right? So, boy is a common noun because there are so many boys. This is a house. But we don't know the name of this house. So that is why house is a common name or common noun. What is this? Pastry. Pastry is a common noun as we don't know the particular name of this pastry. This can be any pastry. Right? So this pastry without any special name is called a common noun. Now we know that boy, pastry, house are the common names for people, animals, places and things because they do not have any specific or particular name with which we can call them. Before we end this session, let us revise. Noun is the name of any person, place, thing or animal. A common noun is a common name for a person, place or thing in a class or group. Now what is proper noun? A proper noun is the specific name or a special name or a particular name for a person, place, animal or thing with which we can identify them. Now let's see different examples of common nouns for person. Man, girl, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, mother, father, etc. Common nouns for places are cinema, restaurant, house, airport, bus station. Common nouns for things are ice cream, mug, spoon, pastry, etc. Common nouns for animals are giraffe, elephant, deer, frog, etc. Children, it's time for homework. Read the sentences and fill in the blanks with correct letter. A place meant for vehicles. It is a road, yes. So you have to Fill both the blank with the correct spelling. ROAD. Do this homework and share it on the WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much.